Yes, sir. 5 and, it's $5.50 for a ricochet, and the sales tax is $45 on top of $5.50, which is $5.99. Yes, sir. It has a tax.
Well, I understand, but you're taxing me on $5.50, that's 50 cents over the price of the cookie.
I don't control the price, sir. I
Sign,
can't control the price, sir, at all.
your sign says $5.
But that's what it is in the tax, sir. 50 cents.
Oh, it's $5.50. You charge me $5.95.
Over 45 cents.
Yeah, they charge me $9.95.
$5.50 for
No, it's $5.
Sir, I can't change the price.
You're not. The $5 is on your sign. That's the price of the cookie.
Do you want your money back?
Yes, damn it, I do.
Okay. Then I will give you your money. But that's all I can do.
Well, you better change your sign because you're lying to your customer.
No, we're not. Okay.
Damn sure! That's down $5.
Can you get out of my store, please, sir?
We can't control that, sir. We just work it. We
Okay.
can't.
And I'm just a customer. Is that $5?
When we bring this up, we don't have no control of what it says.
I gave you your money back. Can you please just go?
You got your money? Thank you, sorry about
All right, just please go.
I'm telling you, you're lying.
I don't get paid enough to get screamed at by customers. I'm sorry.
Chris, put that back in the, sorry about that.
Well, I'm damn sure disappointed in you lost a customer. If you can't add 2 and 2 and get 4, you're a duck.
Sorry for you.
Don't be sorry for me. I'm pitiful. You're pitiful. You can't add and come out with the right number.
Wow.
All right, have a good one. Sorry about that, ma'am.
That dude, man.